Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved some problems related to domain and range of the functions. Today we are going to solve some another problems. Just check the questions and see this is question number 1. Let's write this: y is equal to under root 3 minus mod x upon 4 minus mod x. That is the first question, and we have to find out the domain of this one. Find domain. And if you want to find out the range of such type of functions, please comment on my videos, and then I will solve that one particularly, right? And that is the only domain. This one. Question number 2 is y is equal to 1 minus mod x minus 5. Right? The last questions are the type of questions we have discussed. That is another type of the questions. This one, this is y is this is find the domain and range. Find the domain and range. Domain and range in both this one. Right? Check the first questions. Here, for the domain, it is first this is in a square root, and then it is in a fractions. The rule is that the square root inside the number which is like in a square root must be positive, greater than equal to 0. But if it is in a fractions, then denominator must not be equal to 0. Right? So the solution number 1. This is mod x. First, denominator must not be equal to 0. That is 4 minus mod x must not be equal to 0. Apart from that, we have to find out the critical point, which is quite easy. Now, first this is in form of x upon y. This is case number 1. We can solve it. Just try at home. This is case number 1. It is in the form of x under root x upon y, where this is first part must be x is greater than 0 equal to 0 and y is greater than 0, and second part is x is less than 0 and less than equal to 0 and y is this is less than 0 and this is 0, less than 0 and y is less than equal to 0. You can write this. Okay, but I am just going to do short forms which we have discussed in previous questions. See, if I find the critical points in these questions, then what will happen? That is, first is 3 minus mod x is equal to 0. That is the process to find out the critical point where it is 0. That means numerator is 0. This is called numerator is 0. And find the points where the numerator is 0. And second is denominator is 0. Denominator is 0 where the denominator, in which points the denominator is 0. This is called the second method. Right? Okay, see, this is numerator is 0. 3 minus mod x is equal to 0. And this is equal to mod x is equal to 3. And x is equal to plus minus 3. And now question arises, why we have written this is plus minus 3? Okay, see this one. Right? If I write this is mod minus 3 is equal to 3 and mod plus 3 is equal to 3. In the both cases, this is plus 3 plus 3. Okay, see. So this is critical point, which is 3 and minus 3. And just writing this one. First we have 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 3 and minus 3. This is 3 and this is minus 3. That is equal to 0. Right? We don't know 0. There is no need to write this 0. This is for the reference. I have written this small. Okay, now the second thing is 4 minus mod x intervals are there? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intervals. Just write this is first interval minus infinity to minus 4, second interval minus 3 to 3, and third interval 3 to 4, and fourth interval 4 to infinity. Right? So there are 4 intervals. This is first interval minus infinity to minus 4, then this one minus 4 to 3 intervals, and then this one minus infinity to minus 4, minus 4 to minus 3, minus 3 to 3, and 3 to 4, and 4 to infinity. So these are the intervals where we have to check whether this one expression is positive or a negative. Now check it, this one. Let me focus this one first. Now first I am just going to check it minus 5. If I put this minus 5, what will happen? This is 3 minus 5, that is plus 5, and 4 minus 5. This is positive, yes. So that is, this one is correct. Right, this is correct. Now check, this is minus 4 to minus 3, that is minus 3.5. Check, this is minus 3.5, but this is 3 minus 3.5 and 4 minus 3.5. No, this is not. That is negative. Right? And now check the minus 3 to 3, that is if I put 0, the x is 0, 0, 3 upon 4, yes. This is the information, yes, this is correct. Right? Check this one. You have to check yourself. This is x, if I put x equal to 0, this is 3 by 4, and which is positive, I can write this one. And now check, this is 3 to 4, that means I just put the value 3.5, so it is again, this is 3.5, 3 minus 3.5 minus negative, and this is positive, but this is whole is negative. Okay, now this is not possible. Now check, this is 4 to infinity. If I cannot put 4, that means open interval. I can put minus 3 and 3. Check this one. I can put this is 3 and minus 3. I write this is closed interval. This is closed interval. Sorry. This is minus 4. Okay? This is not possible. Here, then minus 3. And 4 is not possible. And minus 4 is not possible. That means this is open interval. Right? That is open interval, this is open interval, and 4 to infinity, just I put this 4.5, this is 3 minus 4.5, this is negative, 4 minus 4.5, this is negative, and negative, negative, positive. So this implies that the domain is equal to minus 4, minus infinity to minus 4, then union, minus 3 to 3, then union, this one 4 to infinity, 4 to infinity, right? So that is the domain of the functions. That is the domain of the functions, right? And the second one is this one. Let's check the second one question. This is solution second. There is no foundation for the x independent variable. If I want to put anything, because neither in the fractions nor in square roots. This is basic functions. So domain is R. Here domain is R. Right? First is domain is R. Now check the range. Okay, what is the possible range of this one? Okay, if I put x is equal to, this is 1 minus mod x minus 5, this one. If I put x is equal to 5, that is 0, right? If I put x is equal to 5, this is interval is x minus 5 is equal to 0 mod, and x is equal minus 5 is equal to plus minus 0, this is not x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 if I put, and if we have x is equal to 5, this is 1. If I put x is equal to greater than 5, this is 6. This is 6. If I put x is equal to 6, what happens? 6 minus 5, 1, and 1 minus 1, 0. So this is 5, if I put x 5 1 and 5 0 and greater than 5, it is 0. And if I put 7, so that is 7 minus 5 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So it is moving in left hand side. If I put minus, if I put less than 5, this is 4 minus 5 1 and 1 minus 1 0, and it will be positive. So what is the range of these functions? This is minus infinity to 1. This is minus infinity to 1. Right? Okay, thank you students. Thank you. And next sessions we will solve some more problems. Thank you.